It's going off again, dude. Bro, how many flood warnings?
Flood warning in effect until Saturday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Wanacue River at Wanacue Dam. When? Until Saturday morning. Impacts at 5.0 feet. Open adjacent land begins to flood. Waters rise around Wilderness Island Park. At 6.0 feet, John East. Murren Park begins to flood. Hirschfield Park floods.
It went off
The
again.
athletic fields begin to take on water. Parking lots and Hirschfield Park Place flood.
Sorry.
Begins to flood. Backyards flood on Henderson Court and Hill Court in Pompton Lakes. Additional details. At 9:10 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 5.7 feet and rising. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 6.9 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage early Saturday morning. Flood stage is 6.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 6.9 feet on March 19, 1983. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from early this morning until further notice.
It ran off
This
again.
morning until further notice. Impacts at 5.5 feet. Open areas adjacent to the Passaic River flood in
Sir Greenwood.
Chatham Township and Berkeley Heights. At 6.0 feet, portions of the Shepherd Collick Park in Chatham floods. River Road by Henry
Whoa, so
Drive
many
is subject to
flood
closures.
warnings.
At
They were
6.5
saying the 6
feet,
miles.
the Central and Bridge Avenue bridges in Chatham Township are subject to closures.
Where
The
would I?
road is closed. Flood warning remains in effect until this afternoon. What? Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where?
It doesn't show
Southwest
here.
Clarington River at Stanton. When? Until this afternoon. Impacts at 5.0 feet. Minor lowland